In this problem, I'm given an array of characters chars that I need to compress using a specific algorithm. The algorithm involves processing consecutive repeating characters and appending them to a string S in a compressed format. If a character appears only once, I simply append the character to S. If it appears more than once, I append the character followed by its frequency count. The result is stored back in the chars array, and the algorithm must only use constant extra space. The final step is to return the new length of the chars array after compression. First, I initialize an integer variable pos to 0. This variable keeps track of the position in the chars array where I will write the compressed result. I then start iterating through the chars array with an index variable I. For each iteration, I capture the current character in current char and initialize the counter count to 0. This counter will help me determine the number of consecutive appearances of current char. I enter a while loop that continues as long as the current character matches current char and the index I is within the bounds of the array. Inside this loop, I increment both I and count. Once I exit the while loop, I write current char to the chars array at the position pos, and then increment pos. If count is greater than 1, I convert count to a string and iterate through each character of this string, writing each digit to the chars array at the current position pos and incrementing pos for each digit. This approach ensures that the chars array is modified in place, using only a constant amount of extra space as required. Finally, I return pos, which now represents the new length of the compressed array. This algorithm is efficient with a time complexity of O(n), where n is the length of the chars array. The efficiency is important for handling potentially large arrays in practical scenarios. For example, if chars represents a large text document, the algorithm can quickly compress the text without needing additional space for a separate compressed array. To ensure clarity, consider an example to illustrate this process. Suppose chars equals AA, BB, CCC. Here's how the algorithm would work. Initialize pos to 0. Start iterating with I at 0. Current char is A and count starts at 0. Enter the while loop. Increment I and count until chars of I is no longer A. Write A to chars of pos and increment pos. Convert count, which is 2, to a string and write each digit to chars of pos, incrementing pos. Repeat this process for B and C. After processing, chars would be A2, B2, C3, and pos would be 6. Thus the function returns 6. In summary, this solution effectively compresses the chars array in place, maintaining constant space complexity. By counting consecutive repeating characters and writing the compressed results back to the original array, it ensures efficient and scalable compression suitable for various applications. The algorithm is robust, handling both small and large inputs effectively. And now, let's run the code to ensure that everything works properly before I submit.